We're roughly around 50 trees, a little over 50 emergency tree calls that forestry's received. We are prioritizing that work, addressing the large trees down, like the one behind us, on houses or those that are blocking the roads. We'll have crews working through tonight on those, as well as tomorrow cleaning up the major debris that's down. We're expecting to get more calls as people get out and about, especially through the morning tomorrow. So we're just asking people to stay away from any power lines that they see down and to call 911 with any immediate or life-threatening emergency access blocking tree debris, and to call 311 with non-emergencies, branches down off to the side of the road or in front yards, things that aren't impacting emergency access to those that need it.